Trellising is very important in tomato farming. It is supposed to be done on the climbing type of tomatoes, but I do in all my varieties, be it the climbing and the non-climbing type, because I understand the importance that it has on my tomato farming experience. So let's find out the importance of trellising in tomato farming. Trellising enables you to keep your plants upright. They won't be falling on the paths or forming a very untidy environment. This will enable you to carry out farm activities very easily, like weeding, pruning, fertilizer application, because nothing will be on your way. Everything will be in order. Trellising helps reduce the issues of pests and diseases because your plants won't be touching the ground, therefore coming into contact with pathogens that might be on the ground, and also pests, knowing that most pests tend to reproduce on the ground. Therefore, if the leaves were touching the ground, the plant will come into direct contact with the pathogen or the pest. Therefore, this will reduce the issues of pests and diseases. When you do trellising, you will harvest very clean produce. You won't incur extra cost of cleaning because your plants aren't touching the ground. Therefore, when it rains, there is no rain splash that puts dirt on your produce. This might also compromise the quality of your fruits. Therefore, you need to do trellising. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. But until the next one, keep growing.